guess I should go ahead and make an intro to this. Hi and happy 2021. I cannot believe it's already January, and in 2 months it'll be a whole year since the whole world has been going through this. That's absolutely insane. I feel like it was just March and we were just all starting to work from home. It's insane. But I just wanted to welcome you into my video. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea and this is my channel where I do whatever the heck I want. So this video is my 2021 more productive morning routine. Well, good morning. It is 2021 and this year is a year of being productive, and I'm not a very productive person. I very much like to do nothing. This is a year we get productive, we get things done, we do things that we normally wouldn't do. It's that kind of year. So in the spirit of it, you have me as I just woke up. We're gonna do a little bit of a morning routine for you. First, let me grab my glasses because I cannot see. There we go. Good morning. Usually the first thing that I will do once I put on my glasses and scroll on my phone for a couple of minutes is I'll get up and let the dogs out. We'll do that now. So I bet you'll think the next thing I say is that I make the bed. I don't. I do occasionally, but not very often. Maybe once or twice a week, maybe. And I guess in the spirit of things, I guess because this is about being productive and all that fun stuff, we'll make it. So ready? Okay, there you go. There's your made bed. So I think that's what we're gonna call this video, a very productive 2021 morning routine, because I'm gonna do some of my normal routine, but like I've already said, I'm really trying to be more productive. So we're gonna do our normal routine, but we're gonna add in some steps that make it more productive or more meaningful time spent. So here we go. Bed is made. There's our first new productive step of 2021. The next thing I'm gonna do is drink some water, and I usually drink some when I wake up because I just feel so parched, because I mean we sleep with fans on so you can only imagine, but I also sleep with a humidifier on and that usually helps. But today we're gonna drink some water. I didn't really drink much water yesterday, so we're gonna go do that now. This still hasn't changed. If you have any suggestions of what I should put on this, what I should draw on it, write on it, whatever, let me know, because I'm looking and thinking of ideas of things I can put on there. But just side note, I'm not a good drawer. I can kind of draw. Is that so? Boys. These boys. Anyway, what I was saying is I can't draw very well. I'm not a talented drawer. If it's something basic, I can probably accomplish it. However, I don't know, let me know of any suggestions or ideas. And just so you know, after water is fixing this mess. So, all right, so here's the move. All right, the next move, our metal straw, and then I'm gonna splash in, oh wait, let me shake this up first. I'm gonna splash in just a tiny bit of lemon juice, which I know you're supposed to do this with warm water, but who likes warm water? I actually saw this morning a recipe for morning water, and it was warm water with fresh lemon juice, a pinch of sea salt, and like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of chia seeds. And the purpose was to, one, get your metabolism firing, but also from the fiber in the chia seeds, get all of like the toxins out of the cells, bring them out, and help you do what fiber makes you do sooner, so that you can get your day rolling and it's not weighing you down or whatever. So maybe we'll try that eventually, but today that's what we want. Okay, so the next move is this rat's nest. All right, so the next thing happening in this morning routine, sorry if you hear my dogs barking, construction going on behind our house and they cannot stand it. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do next is my skincare. So wash my face, do my AM routine, and I'll show you kind of what I'm using. First I have, after I wash my face, that is, I'm using this Dr. Brandt antioxidant spray toner. Okay, so the second thing I'm gonna use is a brightening eye cream, and this one is Cheer Up by Pharmacy. And then I'll use a moisturizer in it. The one I'm using this morning is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I absolutely love this. I love how my skin looks after I use it, so I would definitely recommend that one. We'll do that, and then we'll do some makeup. And wow, would you look at that? She's ready. All right, so now that I am ready, the next thing that I'm gonna do for this productive day, I've got a smudge on my lens. If you see it, I'm sorry. I'll wipe it off after this video. Anyway, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is take some vitamins. I'm taking vitamin C. I take that every single morning, and then I have a couple other vitamins that I'll take whenever I feel like it. I don't always take the same ones every single morning. Vitamin C is the only consistent one. All right, so the next thing that I'm gonna do that helps me feel productive is one, getting ready for the day, but then also putting on a perfume. These are two that I got for Christmas from Andrew. This one is the YSL Black Opium, and then this one is the Valentino Vive Voce, I think. It's Lady Gaga's perfume from like September-ish. I think I'm gonna do Black Opium. I think I'm gonna go with the Black Opium for today. And yes, my fiddle leaf is in my bathtub because I was watering it and letting it get some light, and that window gets a lot of good light, so. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is a little like 10-minute cleanup, and this one is a really good, important one to add into a productive morning routine. So you do all your things to get you ready for the day. You're feeling great. The next thing you wanna do is make sure your house is gonna make you feel great too, or apartment or condo or bedroom at your mom's house, you know, whatever it is. Just whatever your space is that's gonna affect you throughout the day, that's what you wanna target. So what you can do is set like a 10-minute timer on your phone, and in that 10 minutes, clean up as much as you can, or target one specific place, and when you're finished with that, then you're done with your little tidy up. But what I'm gonna do is our dishes need to be done. It needs to be unloaded, which takes literally 2 minutes, but it's the toughest chore ever to do. I hate unloading the dishwasher, but I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna load it up, wipe off the counters, and probably sweep a little bit, and that should get me at not even 10 minutes. That won't even take 10 minutes. That's what I'm gonna do to add into this little productivity, keeping me productive, and then I'll check in with you after that. Okay, we're gonna try to time lapse this, so here we go. Okay, now we're gonna load it. So I hope that this video inspired you to add something new to your morning routine, or to actually start a morning routine, something of the sort. I hope that you did get something beneficial out of it. I enjoyed making it. It felt really calm and relaxing, and if there's anything you want me to go more in detail about, just let me know in the comments. And so the next things I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, because it's already, I'm not wearing a watch. I did get a little bit of a late start today, which is fine. It's still the morning, it's still AM, but the next things that I'm gonna do within the day is I'm gonna eat lunch at 12, and then I actually need to do some work online for my actual job. And that'll probably take about 2 hours. And then I'm actually, to keep this productivity going, I'm gonna film a second video today for y'all as well. So if I'm wearing the same thing in the next video, or maybe that one's gonna come out first. Anyway, if I'm wearing the same thing in 2 videos in a row, you know why. All right, well, that is it for today's video of our productive 2021 morning routine. So I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I think I spit with that. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate a comment down below letting me know what your morning routine is, or tips for anyone else who are trying to be more productive in their morning routines. You know, just let people know. Just put a comment, or you could just say, this video is rad. I would appreciate that one too. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and Happy New Year. Happy New Year.